Hello guys, I'm Ayam. So today I'm going to do some experiment. I'm going to make the vegetable lamp. So the lamp will get from the power from the vegetable. It's interesting. To do this experiment, we'll need potatoes, clip wires, LED light, aluminium, and copper nail. So I will put the copper nail over here, and the aluminium over here. So this one is positive, this one is negative. So now I am going to attach the clip wire. So the positive one will be the red one. Positive. And this is negative. I'm going to attach the clip wires in the LED light. So the light has two places. So this one is the bigger one and this one is the smaller one. Bigger one is going to negative wire. The smaller one is going to positive. See, it's working. The light is shining, and if we open it, the light will stop shining. So now I am trying with the red color light. So see, it's shining. This white color light. Yay, it's working! We are actually making a battery. Batteries needs metals and liquids to produce the electricity. There we have two metals and the liquid inside the potato. So the potato can produce the power. So I'll come with more experiments. So keep watching my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye.